Hello, welcome to Miss Shaw's High Frequency Words Learning video for Wednesday, September 16th. And I know you did a lot of work with high frequency words yesterday, so this lesson is not going to be as long, and that's okay. You can always have extra practice if you would like. So for today, we're still working with our high frequency or sight words, a, to, and like. Objective, what will I do today? Today, you're going to work with like, a, and to. Today, I will identify and read high frequency words a, to, and like by making my own flashcards and reading all 6 sight words. The sight words so far we have are a, to, like, I, am, and thee. So I know that my other classes in the past have loved watching this sight word song, and a lot of times you learn how to spell things or you learn things by singing. So I would like you to watch this sight word song and try to sing along if you can. I will start the very beginning of it and then I will stop it. Those are actually common sight words for kindergarten, and I will probably be adding another link if you would like it that spells them out. But the more the kids can remember the sight words by sight, because if it helps them with the song, then I always think that that's the best thing to do because the kids learn the sight words and they don't even realize they're learning them. So if you've already made flashcards last week for I, am, and thee, you can just add the 3 new sight words to that. And I'm going to add an activity on here. I will tell you about it here and I will add it on to the Google Slides for the week. And that would be to rainbow write. And to rainbow write the sight words, you would write them in either a crayon or a marker, and you would use one color per letter. So if you were rainbow writing the word am, you might choose a pink for A and a green for am. So that just adds a little something that the kids actually really enjoy doing, rainbow writing, and it makes them feel like they're doing something fun, but they're also learning how to spell the sight words. So I will add that onto this slide on the Google Slides for this week. So you can also practice with these digital flashcards. I, am, the, a, like, to. That's as fast as hopefully they will be reading them in the future. Right now, not so much. But if the more they get used to looking at them and seeing them, the faster they're going to recognize them. So I will add in the extra activity of rainbow writing sight words, and I will put that in the slide for Wednesday high frequency words. Thank you.